My dad's passion is to discover nature in all its dimensions: the desert, the mountains, national parks, the wild beaches, the observation of birds. For that, he has a car of the highway type. Sometimes it seems that he loves his car more than his wife and daughters. He likes to make us cross big spaces that he had discovered before, like big mountains. He liked to speak to my mother about the importance of the turbo in a car. He also speaks to us about the big brands of cars without realizing that my mother is bored on every occasion. But the best is when he stops in the middle of the forest to prepare tea in his own way, the Berber way, which is obviously different from the American or British tea, which is just infusion tea bags or mixed with milk. First of all, he prepares his campfire. So for the ingredients we have best quality tea, best quality mint both in the houwara region, the sugar, some pure water from the spring. So first of all, he puts the tea beans in the teapot and adds a little water. After doing that, he puts the teapot on the fire and let the tea boil for 15 minutes. After the tea is well boiled, mint and sugar are added. He holds the teapot high above the glasses on his final pour to aerate the tea and create a layer of soft foam at the top of the glass. And the best cakes that we can enjoy with tea in the famous Moroccan focaccia. At the end, we say to you بصحة, something like a toast to you. Thanks for watching. Please support us by big thumbs up, like and share this video with your families and friends.